In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kit for a landing page for affiliate marketing. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, conversion-focused landing page that automatically redirects visitors straight to your affiliate offer without any extra clicks or confusion. First, open up your Kit dashboard and look for the main menu. You'll want to go to the section labeled Grow, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your lead capture and landing page tools live inside Kit, and it's the starting point for creating a dedicated page for your affiliate link. Once you're there, look for the button that says Create New and click it. From the options that appear, select Landing Page. This tells Kit that you're building a full page, not just a form, and it'll load up the templates that are optimized for collecting leads. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Select the one called Abby. This template is recommended because it's designed for high conversions, which is exactly what you want for affiliate marketing. It keeps things clean and focused, helping people move quickly from your landing page to your affiliate offer. After the template loads, go to the top area of the editor and click on the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. From there, select General. This is where you control what happens after someone submits their email on your landing page. In the general settings, look for the option that says Redirect to an external page. Turn that on, and then paste your affiliate link into the field provided. This tells Kit to send people directly to your affiliate offer as soon as they opt in, which is perfect if your goal is to drive immediate clicks and potential commissions. Next, find the Incentive tab in the settings. By default, Kit might send out an incentive email after someone subscribes, but for instant redirection, you don't want that extra step. Uncheck the box that says Send Incentive Email. This makes the process seamless. Visitors submit their email and are taken straight to your affiliate page. When you're done configuring these options, click Save in the bottom right corner of the editor. After it saves successfully, go up to the top right and click Publish. This makes your landing page live and ready for traffic. Finally, once the page is published, Kit will give you a unique URL. Copy that URL, and that's the link you can share in your content, ads, social media, or emails to start sending people to your new affiliate landing page.